Hello everyone, welcome to Uttara Home Kitchen. Today I'm going to share a very simple recipe that is chicken curry in pressure cooker. You must be thinking, right, chicken curry pressure cooker mein kaun banata hai bhai? Even I used to think like that, and then I think 2-3 months back I have tried this recipe because I was bored making varieties of chicken curries. So I just thought that day to make it very simple and make it in pressure cooker. जल्दी जल्दी में ख़त्म भी हो जाएगा. So that is the reason I tried and I found it really nice. So and that is the reason I am sharing this recipe along with you, and I will tell you to try this once and let me know how it comes in the comment section. I hope you will like it. And मैं ज़्यादा बक बक कर रही हूँ. Now let's move on to the recipe and मैं मिलती हूँ वीडियो के एंड में. Bye. Let's start with marinating chicken. Here I took 700 grams of curry cut chicken. In that I'm adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half tablespoon of cumin powder, salt to taste, and 1/8 cup of oil. Here I am using mustard oil. You can use any other cooking oil you want. Now marinate the chicken for minimum 2 hours, or you can also skip marinating the chicken for so long. और एल्स आप ये कर सकते हो, जब तक अदर इंग्रेडिएंट्स आप तैयार कर रहे हो तब तक चिकन को मैरिनेट करने के लिए छोड़ दो. सो 20 मिनट्स और आधा घंटे तक ये मैरिनेट भी हो जाएगा और आपका अलग से टाइम भी नहीं निकलना पड़ेगा फॉर मैरिनेटिंग द चिकन. Now take a pressure cooker and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Here again I am using mustard oil and you can use any other cooking oil you want. And then temper with 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 to 4 cardamoms, 3 to 4 cloves, cinnamon stick 1 to 2 inch, 2 bay leaves and 2 dry red chili. Now saute all this for 8 to 10 seconds and then add 3 medium sliced onion. You can also finely chop it and then fry the onion until it is transparent and little golden and brown in color. Exactly how I am showing it now. Now add the smooth paste of 25 to 30 cloves of garlic, 2 inch of ginger and green chili as per your spiciness. Then cook on medium flame until the raw flavors of ginger and garlic goes, and this is the perfect time to add the marinated chicken. Add the chicken slowly and be very careful at this moment. Now mix the chicken well with the spices and add little bit of water. थोड़ा सा ही पानी डालना है क्योंकि थोड़ी देर कुक करने के बाद चिकन से अपने आप पानी निकलता है. Now cover and cook on medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes and don't forget to stir it after every 5 minutes so that जो chicken curry है ना वो नीचे से जल ना जाए. Here you can see the chicken has released water and I have cooked the chicken last 10 to 15 minutes in that itself until the raw flavors are gone of the spices added during the marination. Now once this is done, add 1 medium sized sliced or chopped tomato. You can add tomato paste as well. Now again cover and cook on medium flame until the tomatoes are cooked well. And then add salt to taste if needed. क्योंकि हमने already marination के time में salt दिया है. So if you need then only add salt. Now you can see the gravy is almost cooked. All the raw flavors of the spices are gone and oil is also separating from the spices. And in this time add 1 or 1.5 cups of water. Now here you need to add water as you want the gravy consistency to be, because इसमें आप जितना water डालेंगे उतना ही रहेगा, तो आपको जितना consistency चाहिए gravy का उतना ही पानी डालना है. Then add some slitted green chilies just to add little flavor, but adding green chilies is completely optional. Now we will cover with the lid and this time I will put the whistle cap and wait for 3 whistles comes on medium flame. Now 3 whistles are here. Now turn off the flame and wait until the steam is gone by its own. And after that open the lid carefully and you can see the chicken curry is done. The gravy consistency is also perfect as I wanted, and also the chicken has boiled perfectly. So serve this chicken curry along with steamed rice and enjoy. Tana easy. So this is very easy and simple recipe which you can make it in pressure cooker anytime when you are short of time, or you just want to make it very simple. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Uttara Home Kitchen for new more videos.